Okay, deleting a phone can be a little bit confusing. So from any screen, you can either click the phone button there or click the menu button. If you click the menu, that's a long way, and then you have to click phone as opposed to just clicking phone anyway. But you see there, no phone connected, connect to device now. Now you don't want to connect it, you want to delete it. So you'd think it'd be no, but you've got to click yes to get this list. And then you've got Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, list of paired devices. Now, also, if you have any problems with streaming audio, with pairing your phone, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth there. So it's the same steps. List of paired devices. There's my phone. If I click there, delete pairing. So you can either connect it if it's if you've already paired your phone, or I want to delete it. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it, gone.